It's time to get some boards put together here. So these have been hopefully flattened enough and will come together nice and tight. In order to get these tops of the boards to align correctly, I need to find a way that when these get glued together, that they are locked in relative position. Plus two, these boards are level here, but it's up a little bit here. So this board has got to get pushed down a little and stay in place in order for this to be glued up. The way we're going to do that, put these up on edge here and use what's called a Dowel Max. That is a way to get this lined up nice and flush, and then drill a hole here, go down the board, and make sure that it's matched to the holes on this board, and we go down the line, and that way these two boards will come together. The top part will stay flush. There may be a gap on the bottom, but we don't care because I'm going to put it through a planer that's going to make it a little bit thinner and take care of any edges that are, or take care of the depth. If the height of the board is different from one to the other, we'll shave them down to the same thickness on both boards. So let's give it a go. Because this end of the board is going to get dovetails put on it, I don't want to put a peg or a dowel right here because it'll goof up the dovetail joint. So I'm going to go to the middle and drill out a hole. So this next part is going to be sped up so you're not too bored. All right. Now, in order for the holes to match from one side to the other, I need to find a way to get this to space exactly out. And for that, I need an Allen wrench. This little gizmo will drop into each hole and provide a set distance for the next one to slide on over. That works a little better. Okay, rinse and repeat. So all of the holes are drilled and the little dowel pins are in. They say you can never have enough clamps, and I'm glad I have just enough. So it slowly comes together.